Let's see once again. Yeah, Jeremy is definitely making me earn my dinner tonight. The feet. The feet. Right past us. Oh, alright. There he goes. Straight behind us, everybody. Alright, we're going to let other guys come ahead of us now. Just carry on. We're going to carry on following him, but we're just going to do like leapfrogging. So other vehicles can also pretty much get there.